Let's run through the example of letter grade. I put the code from the script that I showed in the lecture into a Jupyter notebook here. So we have def, letter grade, %, and then all of the stuff that I already talked about here. So if we execute this, now Python knows about there being a function letter grade. If we give it 34, we get an F. If we give it 90, we get 90 back. If we want more than one, we get an error because we have more than one argument given. Letter grade takes one positional argument, but two were given, so we need to fix that. Make one go away. And let's see what happens if we accidentally put in an A. We also get a type error because greater than is not supported for instances between string and integer. All right. So this is one way to do this. The other way I showed you in class first. So if I say cat grades.py, note that I'm in the listings directory here. So you have access to all of these codes. There is an interpreter line that tells the shell that it should run with Python 3. And now if I just execute grades.py, I get a B. And if I want to change that now, because I haven't implemented command line arguments, I would need to change the 84